Verification of stock items. The verification of stock items report is one of the inventory reports in Tally Prime for analysis and verification. It helps the user to check the available stock item details for the analysis year and compare the same with the previous year. How to view the verification of stock items report? From the gateway of Tally, select Display More Reports, then select Analysis and Verification, then select Data Analysis, then Verification of Stock Items. Alternatively, you can press Alt plus G, then type or select Verification of Stock Items and press Enter. Please note, if the previous year data is available as a different company, the same has to be loaded before accessing verification stock items report for accurate analysis. Let us talk about the configuration options. Press F12 to change the default display for the above report. The verification of stock items reports classifies and displays all the exceptional stock items along with the item count under some exception status, that is, all exception. It displays all the exceptional stock item. Difference in opening stock. Stock items with difference in opening stock from previous year and current year will be listed under this status. Negative stock. Stock items with negative closing balance at the end of the current year will be displayed under this status. Not available in current year. Stock items that have been discontinued in the current year will be listed under this status. Not used. Stock items which do not have any balance and have not been used in recording any transaction during both the years will be displayed under this status. Not used in current year. Stock items which have been used for recording transactions only in the previous year have no closing balance and have no opening balance in the current year will be listed under this status. Only balances, no transactions. Stock items that have only balances but have not been used for recording transactions during both the years will be displayed under this status. Used only in current year. Stock items that have been used to record transactions only in the current year will be displayed under this status. The other status which can be viewed using the F12 button are all items. Displays all the stock items irrespective of the status. No change. It displays the stock items which are used in both the years. Button options in the verification of stock items report. Press F3 to change the company. Press F4 to filter the stock items belonging to a particular group. Select the required group from the list of stock groups and press Enter. Press F5 to view the list stock item wise. Press Alt plus F5 to view the list of stock items under the selected status. Press F7 to load the company that contains the data for the year prior to the analysis period. Press F9, then select Analytical Procedures and press Enter. You can follow this step to open any of the accounting, inventory and verification reports from the list. Please note, the facility to mark stock items as verified is provided only for those stock items which are present in the analysis year. In Verification Details screen, under Verification Status field, select the required status, on hold or verified. Enter the required remarks in the verification note. Press Alt plus V to identify related party, periodic payments and receipts and sampling methods for analysis. Press F10 to display the list of stock items having negative stock on each day of the analysis period. Verification of stock items. Negative stock report. The user can drill down to the daily breakup for stock item to view the negative stock during the analysis year. Press Ctrl plus F10, then press Ctrl plus F8 to view daily breakup of negative stock. The daily breakup of item is displayed in the screen. Some of the configurations options are: press F12 to change the configuration for the displayed report. Type of stock items. Select the required types of exception from the list to display the stock items belonging to the selected status. Show stock group. Set this option to yes to display the stock group for each stock item. Show verification note. Set this option to yes to display the verification note entered during the verification of stock item. Stock items with verification status as: select to filter the information for on-hold stock items or verified stock items or altered stock item or any for the types of exception already selected. Display name for stock item. Select the required display name for the stock items from the list of display name style as shown in the screen. The facility to view the stock items belonging to a particular status is also provided by pressing enter on the required stock item type from the verification of stock items report for all exceptions type. The verification of stock items report for the items used only in the current year is displayed in the screen. Please note, the above report is same when option show stock items of type is selected as used only in current year in the configuration setup. The user can press enter on any of the selected stock items to view the stock vouchers report. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep supporting me like this. Please share my videos with your nearest one. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.